Let's set up an automation for form submission acknowledgement through WhatsApp in Mercuri CX. Start by heading to the Template section in the Mercuri CX dashboard. Then select WhatsApp. Click the Create Template button in the top right corner. If you have multiple WhatsApp accounts connected, you'll be prompted to select the account that should be used to send out WhatsApp messages. Now fill in your basic details like template name, language, and category. In the body of the message, craft your message and make it personal using dynamic variables like customer name. Now map each variable to its actual data field. These variables will be automatically replaced with the actual values from the form submission when the message is sent, ensuring each customer gets a personalized acknowledgement. For the footer, add your brand name to keep it visible and give every message a professional finish. Preview your message to check how it'll look to the customer. Once satisfied, click Create Template. Before sending any WhatsApp template, it must be approved by Meta. The approval process usually takes anywhere from 5 minutes to 24 hours. Once the template gets approved, then go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Form Submitted as the automation type and choose WhatsApp as the channel. If you have more than one number in your WhatsApp account, you'll first need to select the number and then choose the template under that number. Next, pick your approved WhatsApp template and click Create Automation. Your form submission acknowledgement on WhatsApp is ready to go. Set it live today and make sure every inquiry gets an instant, professional response. Scan the QR to book a free demo with us.